What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to walk you through how to make a website in Odoo. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So when you open up ODOO for the first time, you are going to be taken into this page where you can select a theme for your website. Now, there are a lot of themes here for you to choose from, but for this one, let's choose this one called Clean. Let's go ahead and click on Use this theme. So this is going to be your home page. Now to start, you can go ahead and click on Edit. And on the right panel, you will see that there are some blocks and customize, and you can also change your theme in here. So let's go to blocks and choose your structure. So let's go ahead and start with a banner. So all you have to do is click and drag this to your home page. Now once that's done, you can click on this text to edit it. So for example, here we can just say, "Welcome to my website." Okay, and you can also click on the subtitles here to change them, so you can type anything you want. So I will just type in random stuff in here. Now after that, you can go ahead and click on blocks again, and here click on columns and drag it to your website. Now you can see that it added 3 columns in here. So in the same way, you can also click on the text to edit it. So here we can say, for example, so you have your text 1 here, and you have your text 2, and you have your text 3. And also, you can also edit the text below it, just like what we did earlier. Now once you're done with it, you can go ahead and click on Save. So you can now preview your website, and so far it is looking good. Now let's go ahead and continue editing. So you can click on Edit here and click on Image Text. Now let's drag this to the website. Now here you can also edit these elements. So here you can also click on the text to change this text. So let's just say text 4. You can also do the same for the subtexts here, and also for the name of this button here. So for example, let's just right there click here. So you can also do that. Now you can also change this picture right here. All you have to do is click on this media and click on replace. And once in here, you can click on upload an image, and it is going to open up a new window. Now you have to look for the image that you want to replace it with. So for example, let's choose this one and click on open. And let's wait until it's uploaded. And just like that, it is now changed. Now let's go back to blocks, and here let's click and drag masonry. So let's drag it below the ones that we created, and it is going to give you a new block. Now just the same as earlier, you can also change these things in here. So for example, if you want to change this picture over here, you can just click on it and go to media and click on replace. Now click on upload an image. So say for example, we want to use this picture. So let's click it and click on open. And just like that, our picture is now uploaded and it was replaced by our own. So the same as earlier, you can also click these text here to edit them, and also their subtitles. Now here in the bottom, you can see you have your logo. So if you want to change it, just click on this one and go to image and click on replace. Now you can also upload your logo. So I will just choose something that I already have on my computer. So let's say this one, for example. Click and open. And just like that, your logo is replaced. Now if you scroll back to the top, you can also change this one. Go to media and click on replace. And since we already uploaded our logo, you can just click on this one, and now it is on the website. Alright, so if your website looks good to you, you can go ahead and click on save. And now you can try out your website. You can scroll down and see if everything is good. Alright, so that is for the layout. Now let's talk about some buttons. So what will happen if we click this button? So it is going to take us to the Contact Us page. Now let's go back to the home page. Now if you want to customize this button, all you have to do is let's go ahead and click on Edit again. And click on this button right here. And from here, you can actually start with / and here you can see which pages you have in your website. So for example, you want this button to take you to an info page. So just go ahead and select this one and click on save. Now when we click this button, so it is going to go to an info page instead of going to the contact page. Alright, now to add a new page, all you have to do is click on new, and here you will have different options. So you have a page, a blog post, event, forum, job position, product, course, live chat widget, appointment form. Now if you want to add a new page, all you have to do is select page. And here you can actually choose a template for your new page. Now for this one, let's try and choose this page. Let's click on use this template, and we need to give it a title. So for example, let's say this will be our main page. Now remember to enable add to menu. Now let's create the new page. So here, just the same as earlier, if you want to edit the text, you can simply click on the text and write your text here. So I will just put in main page. And you can also edit all these text in here. And also the same with other elements on this page, you can just click on it to edit them. So if you click on this one and go to replace, you can actually replace this with a different icon. So say for example, let's use this icon right here. So we can see that it is changed. Just the same with all other elements here. If we click on this one and click on replace, we can choose a different icon here. Let's say this one maybe. So here we can see that it is actually changed. Now going down here, we have a slideshow. So you can also edit these pictures in here. So first let's have a look of what pictures they used in here. Okay, so if you want to edit this one, you just have to click on it and click on replace under image, and let's click on replace. So for example, since we have these pictures in here, let's use this one. So we can see that it is now replaced. And if we go to the next one, you can just click it here and click on replace and choose a picture. So just like that. So it is really easy and simple to replace and customize your own page. Now once you're done with that, you can click on save. So here you can see your main page. Now if you want to go back to your main page, you can go to this 3 bars right here and click on home. Alright, now let's try to make this button go to our main page. So let's click on edit. Click on this button. So here under button, let's scroll down and type / and here we can see that we have our main page in here. Now let's choose this one and click on save. So now when we click this button, it is going to take us to the main page. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is how you can create a simple website using ODOO. For sure, you can use ODOO for advanced and more comprehensive website. And this is the easiest way for you to build your website to improve your brand and improve your business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.